But I'd like to ask you one question about time. Can everyone unmute themselves and tell me what time it is there now?
Well, in Nigeria, it is 11:20 p.m.
Okay, 11:20. Yes.
It's also 11:20 in Portugal, which is cool. Hi, Nigeria.
Okay.
It's also 11:20 in Cameroon.
Okay.
Yes, it's 6:20 in the Philippines.
20 in the Philippines. Yes, keep going.
20 in the Philippines.
Only
It's 6:20 in here also. I'm in New Hampshire.
Yeah,
Only
the other
PM instead of AM.
We have the same time, Peter.
Okay.
6:20.
Same time here. Any other variations?
Yeah, it's 20 minutes past midnight in Central Europe.
20 past midnight. Thank you.
And
Thomas.
3:50 a.m. in India.
3:50 a.m.
Did you get
Anyone?
3:20 in California?
3:20.
In
Okay,
Florida,
last.
in South Dakota.
6:20 in Florida.
Mhm.
6:20 in the afternoon.
Okay. Last call. Anyone else? Okay, I have something to tell you about time, if you don't mind, before we go. It's 11:20. Kerry, how many time zones did we have there, roughly?
I thought you were counting time zones. I was counting countries, but I think time zones might be more relevant for our conversation as a global community.
Well, I think we have what I think is about 5 or 6. But actually,
Wait, time zones? I think we're more than that. Wait, we have California.
Huh?
We have East Coast.
Yep.
We're
Seven. I got
we're-
7 or 8.
yeah.
7 or 8. Wonderful, wonderful. Well, I just want to share that for the last 2 hours, it has been the same time.
I love that.
It's right now. Right now o'clock.
I'm very grateful to spend the same time with you all.